Zoho Notebook is a powerful note-taking app with a wide range of features to help you stay organized and productive. Zoho Notebook is cross-platform on Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, and Linux platform. You can take simple text notes, bulleted lists, create and edit tables, as well as insert attachments. Zoho Notebook has a powerful search function as well as tags to help you find your data. Zoho Notebook also offers easy collaboration tools to share a note with others. Users can make comments and collaborate in real time. Overall, Zoho Notebook is a great option for anyone who needs a powerful yet flexible note-taking app. If you enjoyed this review of Zoho Notebook and would like to see other reviews of note-taking and productivity apps, please consider smashing that subscribe button.